Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome back, Clashers. The epic raid in Clash of Clans has received some fantastic updates for 2025, making it even more dynamic and rewarding. We're here to break down everything you need to know to dominate this exciting game mode. Get ready to refine your strategies, understand the latest meta, and conquer those challenging bases. It's time to become the ultimate raid master. Picking the right army is crucial for epic raids in the current meta. Focus on creating a balanced force that can handle both single targets and large groups of defenses. New troops introduced this year offer exciting tactical advantages, so don't be afraid to experiment. Pair them wisely with your favorite spells, like the new Freeze and Rage combination, to truly amplify your damage and pathing, ensuring every attack counts. Before you even deploy your first troop, take a moment to analyze the base layout. Identify those crucial defensive structures and understand the flow of the raid. Creating a proper funnel is key. Direct your main army towards the core objectives and maximize their destructive power. Remember to time your spell placements perfectly. A well-placed rage spell or a perfectly timed heal can turn the tide of an entire raid, leading you to victory. To truly maximize your rewards from the epic raid, make sure you're aiming for every single objective. Each destroyed building contributes to your final loot, so leave nothing standing. Teamwork within your clan is also more important than ever. Share your successful attack strategies, donate powerful troops to your clan mates, and utilize the new clan features designed for better cooperation. Together, you can achieve incredible results and boost your collective wealth. The key to mastering the epic raid, like any part of Clash of Clans, is consistent practice. Don't be afraid to try new approaches on different raid layouts. Always watch your attack replays carefully. This is where you'll find those crucial learning moments and pinpoint areas for improvement. Stay connected with the community and keep an eye on official updates to adapt your strategies as the game evolves. Keep clashing, and you'll become a true raid legend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.